Hey everybody, I'm David Gino from PICO. And how many of you here are here because of the theme of this year's AWE regarding iSpatial and interested about AI and XR? Okay, cool. This was a different representation when I was at Georgia Tech just last month, where it was split. There was actually a lot of people that weren't interested in the merging of XR and AI. But I'm really excited here, as long as with my guest Vinny, to talk about the excitement around AI and increasing productivity. We're entering a new stage where developers are in flux, especially around the XR community. We've been hearing the same story before. It's always going to be next year. And we're now getting to the point where we're using AI to be a lot more productive, to save time as developers, to prototype and get feedback, to then feel very secure about the next stage of funding. And that's what we'll be talking about with some of the Q&A in terms of how do you work with a platform like a PICO, like a Google, to get your products noticed and into the store and to get the support that you need at the end of the day to be self-sustaining.